Welcome to Joy Nostalg Ortigas. Stepping inside, and wow, this room feels incredibly welcoming. First look at the sleeping area. That bed looks incredibly cozy and perfect for a good night's rest. It really feels more like a premium apartment than a standard hotel. Super clean and elegant. Over here is the workstation. If you need to get some remote work done, this desk setup is perfect. Now, let's head over and check out the bathroom. The bathroom layout is great. Everything is clean, modern, and well lit, and a nice, spacious shower to unwind in. But here's the best part, a fully equipped kitchen. We have a full-sized refrigerator, a stovetop, microwave oven, and even a proper oven. You can easily cook your own full meals here, which is amazing for longer stays. Heading back to the bedroom to enjoy these amazing city views. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.